we got a true workhorse for anyone struggling with rusted bowls as this week's featured product. Check out Ingersoll Rand's half-inch impact wrench, the 231C. This heavy-duty impact wrench has the durability that everyone comes to expect from the Ingersoll Rand name, with many users boasting its reliability over 10, 15, and even 20 years of use. Obviously, this is thanks to its sturdy two-piece construction, which makes maintenance and lubrication possible with ease and simplicity, extending the life of the tool. A simple adjustment to the power regulator will allow the user to harness up to 425 foot-pounds of torque, enough to break through the most stubborn of bowls. And when the trigger is at full speed, this wrench will spin at a whopping 8,000 revolutions per minute. Inside, you'll find a twin hammer mechanism that, simply put, gives a double blow on every revolution, helping it break free or secure any over-torqued nut or bolt. And thanks to its simple forward-reverse toggle, this air tool can effortlessly be used with just one hand. So, if anyone is looking for a great, economical impact wrench from a top-quality name, they should check out this week's featured product, the 231C half-inch impact wrench. Let me know about your favorite impact wrench in the comments below. And be sure to subscribe to the channel so you can be notified of many other great products just like this one. Thanks for stopping by.